Guys, I got this. It's an armrest. How neat is that? It's pretty neat. Yeah, guys, so I've actually had this armrest for probably like a year now. I actually bought it for an old Mk4 TDI I had, but I never put it in. So we're gonna see how it looks. Here she is, back on the nice looking wheels. So this is what we're working with without it. It's got like a really clean look. I really like it, but it's just not comfortable. When I'm like not shifting, I just don't know what to do with my hands. You know what I'm saying? I'm like driving, banging through the gears, like first, second, third, fourth, and I'm like chilling. I'm like, where am I gonna put it? Back to business. So first things first, y'all, we gotta take out these two screws on either side here, and then there's two screws down in here that we're gonna pop out right down there. For your information, they're T20 Torx bits. Don't tell anyone. Okay, so now we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver and just well, scratch that. Take out the center console. And then just do it from underneath where you can actually see what's going on. Like that. Is that supposed to look like that? If you know, tell me. Hit me up in the comments. I don't know if that's supposed to be bent or not, but let me know. Okay, so it looks like we already had a center console in this car before because we have a clip here, which is pretty sweet. This one is actually broken. It was still in there though, but we probably won't be able to use it. I'll check it out, but I don't know. And then this right here is another piece that came in the kit that we won't even be using. That's fine by me. No, but you put that little guy in there, and then this guy you're gonna put right down there in the hole, like so. And then you gotta come in the side hole right there, and I'm gonna put this little bugger in. Let me tell you something, it is hot as frick. So you should have it looking something like this. All right, so I'm not gonna be able to film this, but we got 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna take some professional finagling to get this on here right. We'll check back in a second. Okay guys, so I did it a little bit backwards. I did it with the center console on. You can just do it with this. It'll make it a lot easier. And then you just bring this down like that. Clip it in the front there. And voila, you got your whole armrest mount back. Then gonna go bada bing, bada boom. Ta-da! I really think I'm gonna like this. So now take your trusty old bolt and it's gonna go right in there. And you'll be done. There she is. I was worried the black wasn't gonna match perfectly, but it's pretty dang perfect. This is definitely gonna improve my driving experience. All right guys, so sorry I don't have anything better to do, but I'm just doing stuff that doesn't cost me anything for the next couple months because I've been buying a bunch of stuff for camber and still need some supporting mods and everything for that, and it's not cheap. But the good news is I got some adjustable LCAs and drop plates are on the way. They're coming from Russia, so they're gonna take like forever and a day to get here. They haven't even left Russia and I ordered them a month ago. I'm really hoping they're gonna get here soon. But until then, just doing little stuff here and there. This armrest mod is one of the things I have on the bucket list, so we can check that off. And I got a lot more things coming, so stay tuned. So I got somewhere to be. I have dance class with my mom coming up pretty soon, but I really want to take it for a drive. I love it already. So this is actually my last day driving with non-historic tags. I just picked up historic tags today. Terry's. I don't know if it takes down insurance or not, but it is definitely gonna save me from emissions and like all that junk. So especially with my SAI delete, EVAP delete. That's gonna help me out a lot, let me tell you. So, oh guys, I love this. I feel like I'm driving a car that's like 10 years newer, honestly. Like,